Hello everyone, my name is Adela Oluwaseyi. Welcome to Do This Digital Tech. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to activate call to action button on your page. And this is a request of one of my subscriber, Philip Beauty and Style. So this is for you and you also if you don't know how to activate call to action. So all you need to do is go to your page. This is my page. Then from here you can enter your page. You can enter your page from here. You can enter your page. Where I am now is my page field. This is my page field. So you can use any of the three. So in my own case now, let me go for, I will go for this. So this is my page. So all you need to do from here is just tap on this three-eye burger. Tap on it, then click on edit action button. So when you tap on it, it will show it like this. So all you need to do is tap on this edit button. In my own case, I'm using WhatsApp as my call to action, and I'm using this as my call to action. So in your own case, tap on this. Then you can now choose whether call, email, contact, book. Now you can choose from here any one of it that is appropriate for you. Once you choose it, then you tap on save. Tap on save. That's all. So when you choose it, you tap on save. Then your call to action will be activated on your. Now let me show you my own. Let me go to view. You can see this is my call to action here. This WhatsApp. That's my call to action. So I want to believe this video will be of a good help. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are new to this channel, and for those of us that are returning subscriber, thank you for always being there for us. Thank you. See you in another video.